I conned my husband into setting up out in the front and spray painting these items for me. Those two I'll do myself. They belong to my cotton ball and Q-tip jars. Okay, on this wall I took down the big canvas that I had and I put it in the bedroom. I also hung a gold star mirror up here last night. Put these giant pieces of silverware on each side. I didn't like it. I remembered I have this giant cup of coffee art. It's a metal piece that I'm going to try and hang it on the wall here and see how that looks. Technically I wanted that big giant clock that you stick on the wall and have the little middle clock part in the middle of it. I have a smaller version in my office. I wanted to get it, but I'm not sure the size because they're not saying what size it is. I ordered one, I thought it was big. They had it blown up on the picture, so I thought I was getting a big clock, and it turns out just to be a little small one. So before I actually order another one, I need to do my research. You can probably see I patched up some holes, so you probably can see I'm sitting here in the living room and shooting this from a distance, so I have some touch-ups I have to do. And once I hang that coffee cup and saucer with the steam coming out on the wall, it's like a three-dimensional piece, I will probably relocate the spoon and the fork around it a different way. Right now it's outside. My husband took it out and spray painted with the black matte spray paint because it was originally black, but it's been around a long time and it needed touching up. So once that dries and I patch up my holes, touch up the spots, I'll hang it on the wall. And around the house, I'm going around this house and making a whole bunch of other changes, patching a lot of holes.